Welcome back. One person died on the spot in a fatal accident at Chigali. NARESH BORKAR, resident of KHOLLANT, IRROSIM, died after getting crushed under a bus. The locals gathered at the spot complained that the police did not conduct the PANCHANAMA properly. The agitated mob blocked the road, thus paralyzing the traffic. Senior IPS officer Kishan Kumar has been relieved from the post of Director General of Goa Police, and TN Mohan will take charge as the next DGP from Tuesday. Kishan Kumar has said that Goa Police has to gear up strongly to fight new threats and challenges like terrorism and cybercrime. Meanwhile, Goa Police has transferred 2 DYSP, 11 PIs and 7 PSIs.
After serving for 2 years and 2 months as Director General of Goa Police, IPS officer Kishan Kumar on Monday was relieved from the post.
The new challenges, especially terrorism, cybercrime and increasing crime in new areas, white collar crime, we have to keep ourselves abreast with the new developments, with the new techniques, so that Goa Police can march along with other forces in the country.
Kishan Kumar also appreciated his successor TN Mohan, who is going to take charge as the next DGP on Tuesday.
Mr. TN Mohan, he has worked here. In fact, he took over from me in 1990. And it is the second time that he will be taking over from me. I was SP training in 1990 when he took over as SP training from me. And now this is the second time when Mr. TN Mohan will be succeeding me.
Meanwhile, Goa Police has issued a transfer order transferring 2 DYSPs, 11 PIs and 7 PSIs. Mahesh Gaonkar, SDPO Panji and Serafin Dias, SDPO Mapsa have been shuffled to each other places. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane has stressed on the need of regular swimming coach at the DSYA swimming pool complex at Sankli. He was speaking at the prize distribution ceremony of the State Short Course Swimming Championship. Sankli swimmers had organized the competition on Sunday.
Please report the mini pool.
The swimming pool, we need a coach. Coaches are needed very badly. Perhaps during our time, we had no coaches. We were not so blessed by, having proper coaches.
Swimming is one of the best activities, and I'm sure seeing you, many more Sankli children will come here and utilize these facilities that has been developed for you. There are a few flaws which they have just mentioned, which I'm sure my department will look into it.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.